Balonglam Habaro Shitulup Kari India Jowai Rumenta Kasngi Kasantarik Naila Larke Yakasngi Yo Jing laitluid Manyupu Prasnam Jonkari Neka 78 Independence Day Celebration Araja Arpsao Jowai La Pelong Yaka Program Hamadan Jerusalem But Yakalama Lairong Jonkari La Penhe Da U80 Mondal U Mentri Badepet Yakatanat Boarding Layo ru yaka jingya March pass balashimenta daki outrightly ki contingents kanthop nadu ki pulet bat ki khenna school ladan ru ki jingshat bat roi tin rai ka jingsam ya ki khusnam na lor ki we de ka jingrakhe ya ka sngi yo laitluid kari Jowai ka long ka ba Iphuh Iphieng bha da ka jingwan sakhi lang jong ki pat ba nong shong shnong.
जय श्रीमान श्रीमान आज का स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर, एक परेड 2IC और 32 कंटिंजेंट आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
A big round of applause for the parade commander of the 2nd IC commander and the contingent of the 5th police. After the police one.
Jowai, which is by Mebalavi Dan. Let us put our hands together for the contingent from Tiananmen Government Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Iphuh Iphieng. Approaching the saluting dais is the contingent of St. Michael and All Angels Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Ms. Philomena Dao. Welcoming to the saluting dais is the contingent from Police Public Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Ms. Banfi Katarina Toy. Let us put our hands together for St. Right Higher Secondary School, Jowai.
crores to rupees 27,027 crores in the last 5 years as an outcome of improved governance, financial management and efficient service delivery. Capital expenditure has around grown fivefold over this period. The income of Meghalaya's farmer continued to rise as a result of targeted intervention in cultivation and marketing of remunerative crops. More than 1.5 lakh households have benefited from the mission mode project in cultivation of Lackadan turmeric, khasi mandarin, ginger, mushroom and jackfruit. Newer initiatives like the State Organic Mission will bring 1 lakh hectares under certified organic cultivations. Targeted 1.8 lakh under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana program. The state government is committed to care for vulnerable social groups. More than 67,000 senior citizens, 37,000 single mothers and 14,000 persons with disability are being supported with a monthly pension under the CM Care program. As Indians, we are fortunate to have stalwarts like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as the founding fathers of our nation. We remember the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, Utirok Singh, Ukyam Mohamba and Patobun Sangma. We also remember the pain of those who were displaced by partition of India. We respectfully remember the members of the armed forces, paramilitary forces and police forces of the country and our state who have made great sacrifice in protecting the rule of the law. It has been a year of great significance for Meghalaya as our ambitious economic growth plan for transforming the state into a $10 billion economy took shape in the form of Mission 10. Under this plan, we have identified 10 opportunity sectors which holds immense potential to generate prosperity for the state. We have also issued 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitably distributed among all Megalayas. The law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful throughout the year. The general election was conducted smoothly in last April. The process of resolving the interstate border dispute with Assam made steady progress this year. Committees deployed in both states are working towards an amicable solution to the dispute in the remaining 6 areas. The 3 new criminal laws, namely the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam have come into force from the 1st July of this year. However, the autonomous district council courts will continue to function under the provision of 6th schedule. In wake of the recent crisis in Bangladesh, government of Meghalaya has heightened security along the border. We have also taken steps to coordinate the evacuation of our students studying here. An online registration platform is being introduced to ensure the availability of real-time data on Nagaland's studying and working abroad.